Hi guys, today we will learn if-else condition, so let's start. So what is if-else? If-else means making a choice. That's it. See this real-life example. If you are hungry, you eat. Else, you don't eat. Python also works the same way. See this code carefully guys. Age equals 16 if age greater than equals 18. Print adult, else, print child. Now read it like English. If age is 18 or more, print adult. Else print child. So we simply check conditions with if-else. If condition is true, if part will be executed, and if the condition is false, then else part will be executed. So in this example, we will get result, yes, because 5 greater than 3, and this is true that 5 greater than 3. So let's quickly summarize. Condition. So what is a condition? A condition is a question with yes or no answer. For example, 5 greater than 3 that is, yes, true, and 5 less than 3 that is, no, false. Because Python only understands true or false. So for tricky challenges, always remember this important rule, that Python cares about spaces. That's why this is wrong, and this is correct. Next, wrong indentation with else, so that's why this is wrong, and this is correct. Next, missing colon, so that's why this one is wrong, and this one is correct. So this was simple, if else, so buckle up guys to learn if else with output challenges. See you soon, bye.